Stonewood Group. We're an executive search firm with offices across Canada, Vancouver, Ottawa, and Toronto.
Oh, okay. And what brings you here today?
Well, this is our third or fourth year coming to the Deloitte's Trends event and Predictions. It's a great opportunity, obviously, to network and connect with individuals that you haven't seen, and it's also a very insightful event. I think listening to folks like Duncan and other experts, crystal ball, if you will, is always a great opportunity to sort of see where they went wrong last year or where they went right, more importantly, and it's a fun event.
So let's start with where they went right. Are there any predictions? Oh, sorry.
Because people
Yeah. We've got to get out of the way here. Got to get out of the way of the people coming in. There's still a significant coffee line out there. Yeah, it's crowded. Okay, so let's go back to the predictions. Is there something that you recall from past years about a prediction that was really spot on?
Yeah, that's a great question. Recollecting 12 months ago, I seem.
Sorry, I didn't tell you should have studied.
I think the social media was a prediction. I think of areas where there would continue to be some growth, and I think we're seeing amongst the companies that have got funded and whatnot. Social media companies for sure have. Anything that sort of connects individuals wirelessly. Certainly clean tech was an area where there was some significant activity, and so we'll see what they're predicting for the next 12 months.
So you mentioned clean tech. That was one of the new things I think that was added last year in the predictions events. Is there a larger focus now that you're seeing, just from your observations in industry, about green technologies, companies really trying to figure out how to research and sell these services and make a profit?
Yeah, well, certainly that's the challenge. I mean, some would argue that perhaps the blooms come off the rose, and maybe that's the case in the short term. But long term, I think it'll be a continued trend. Some say with the price of oil having gone down, at around $40, companies will be challenged to find the ability to profit, and as a result attract an investment and funding. But we'll see what happens. I think companies that truly do have an ability to provide alternative means of energy will continue to find and attract investment and bring products to market.
Great. So we'll be watching with interest what happens at the event today, and of course what happens in the industry going forward. Thank you so much for joining us, Sal.
Thank you.
Hope you enjoy the event.
Thank you very much.